Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by grabbing credentials and creating a client. Do this now so code can run immediately. First, enable the Search API in your Google Cloud project and choose a credential type that matches your use case. Once done, download the JSON key if you're using a service account or copy the API key for simpler calls. Then install required packages with pip so imports succeed. Make sure to store keys securely and never commit JSON or API keys to version control. You now implement the request flow and handle pagination. Load credentials from the JSON or from environment variables and instantiate the service object with build, custom search v1. Then compose a concise query payload. Include Q, CX, search engine ID, num for batch size, and start for paging. Once you send the request, parse the JSON results, extract items you need, and respect rate limits. If you expect many pages, implement exponential backoff and stop when no items remain. You finish by validating outputs and adding resilience so the integration stays reliable. Save parsed results to your data store, add retries with jitter, and implement caching to reduce quota consumption. Make sure request fields limit return data to speed responses. If something goes wrong, first check that API key or service account has correct permissions, that CX matches your custom search engine, and that quotas aren't exceeded. If you still fail, inspect logs for 403, 400, or 420.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.